Hello, you're welcome to this screencast. This is the Student Loan Trust Fund. As part of our efforts to make sure that the application process for a loan is convenient, we have developed an online application. And within this screencast, we'll be taking you through the creation of an account, which will enable you access the online application. Now, this is the simple interface to the online application. At the top here, it just gives you the 3 steps you need to go through before you may be able to access a loan from SLTF. The first one directly tells you that you need to create an account. The second one, you need to complete the online application. And then the third step will have to be for you to submit your supporting documents. Now, assuming this is the first time you are using the application, right? It says you don't already have an account, so you need to create one. I can come down here and click on this yellow button over here, say create an account. Or I can equally click on the create an account menu at the top there. So let's pick one. Once you are here, we only pick certain basic data from you so that we know who you are. Here you are supposed to provide the name of your institution. And the application has been developed in such a way that it tries to give you hints as you go through the application process to make it very easy for the average computer user or someone who has not really used the computer before. So immediately I move my mouse pointer here, you see a tooltip, and then it gives you hints about how to choose your username. If I move to the password, yeah, it tells me something about the password, that it must be at least 5 characters long, passwords are case sensitive, and it provides an example. Here you're supposed to repeat the password, and this is the email. And I must stress that the email is very vital. Please, if you don't have a valid email address, it's very important that you create one. Because throughout the online application process, we'll be communicating with you throughout the email. In the advent of you losing your password, the instructions to reset your password will be sent to the email. So please, make sure that you have a valid email address. Those things are very easy to create. You can go to Yahoo, Google, Hotmail, and then just create a free account. No one will charge you anything. So let's say I want to create an account. Now, there are 2 options for you to pick items from the drop down. You can either drop it down and find this long list, which is quite difficult for you to scroll through. The other option is for you to start typing the name of your institution, right? Which will filter it for you. So let's say I want to type KNUST. So I start typing KW. Yeah, so it just filters it out, and I pick it and move on to the next one. It asks me for the username that I want to use. And if you look at the suggestions, it says, hey, you can pick your first letter of your first name, add it to your surname, use a dot in between, or use the full name combined without any spaces. So let's say I want to use this name, Jeffrey, let's say Osa Mensah, or O Mensah, right? Assuming that's my name. And my password, I'll provide something over there. And the repeat password, you're actually supposed to put the same password you provided at the top, right? At any stage, if you make a mistake, it will try and prompt you. So let's go back and let me put the right thing there. Now, my email address, this is very vital. So let's say I put omensah at hotmail.com. And then this is a security feature within the application. You are supposed to provide what you see within this particular graphics there, right? If you can't see it properly, there's an option for you to keep on changing, so it shouldn't be such a big deal. You need to click on this particular icon over here which says get a new challenge. So let's do that and see how it works. Okay, we can't see this properly. This is quite okay. This is quite okay. I can see that. So you can just keep on clicking until you see one that you can make it out. Just keep on clicking. When we find one which is quite convenient, I think we'll just type it in there. Yeah, I think we can see this. So I type EMITTALABOVE. Once I'm done, I click on create account. And immediately the process is done. It says you can sign in now, right? So it automatically puts your username here, and then you are supposed to put your password, and then you sign in. So let me quickly sign in, and let's see how the application goes. Yeah, so that's the end of this account creation part.